In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can install PyCharm on Windows laptop or PC. So for it, first of all, you need to go to any browser, and in the browser, you need to search for PyCharm, then press enter. And once you search for PyCharm, you will see this jetbrains.com. So you need to click here and it will take you to this page. So here you will see this option, download button. So you need to click on download. So here you can see download option, and here you can see if you just click on this arrow, you will see this Windows ARM64. So we are going to choose the first one, then click here download, and it will start downloading PyCharm. Here you can see. So it is around 850 MB. It will take some time. Right now I will just fast forward the video. So here you can see the download is complete. So when the download is complete, we just need to double click on the downloaded file, and there you can see it will open something like this. So here we need to click on next. Then here you can choose where you want to install PyCharm, and you need to make sure that you have at least 3.2 GB space available where you are installing it. So I'm going to directly click here next, and I'm going to create a desktop icon, and I need to also add bin folder to the path, and let's also check those two as well. Then click here next, and you need to choose here JetBeans, then click here install. So it will start installing PyCharm. So this will take some time to install. So right now I will just fast forward the video. So here you can see it's done. So right now I'm going to check this, and here you can see we also have the PyCharm desktop shortcut over here. So if I now click on finish, it will open PyCharm automatically. There you can see. So I need to agree, then click here continue, then click here send, click here allow. And if you have other code editor installed in your system, you can import the setting from them as well. But I'm going to click here skip import. So there you can see it will open PyCharm. There you can see we will come to PyCharm. So yeah, this is how you can install PyCharm on Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.